Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hyet Polisher is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools you can add to your detailing arsenal, capable of transforming dull surfaces into showroom-worthy finishes with its advanced polishing technology and user-friendly design, making it an indispensable asset for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic DIYers looking to achieve professional-grade results. Number 5. DEWALT 7 inches to 9 inches 12 amp corded car buffer, DWP849X. Experience the robust performance of this car buffer, engineered with all ball bearing construction and precision-cut steel gears for exceptional durability and accuracy. The rubber overmolded gear case provides a comfortable grip, making car detailing tasks easier. Its variable speed trigger allows you to precisely control the speed by adjusting the pressure applied. Easily adapt to different tasks with a large variable speed dial, allowing you to effortlessly change the speed to match specific applications. Keep your tool running longer with the replaceable wool ingestion shield, which prevents wool fibers from entering and blocking the unit. For added safety, the no-volt release switch prevents accidental startup when plugged in. You'll need to consciously reset the switch before it can be powered on. Changing the backing pad is a breeze thanks to the large spindle lock button, designed for quick and easy accessory swaps. What we like. This polisher boasts a robust all-ball bearing construction for lasting durability and precision. Its rubber overmolded gear case ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse for demanding detailing tasks and value long-term performance, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Hyet Polisher has a powerful motor that makes polishing tasks quick and efficient. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, suitable for various materials and finishes. Number 4. Chemical Guy's TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. Introducing the TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. This all-inclusive set has everything you need to restore your vehicle's shine. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers. Experience smooth and controlled polishing with its powerful motor and random orbital action. It's safe to use on paint, clear coats, headlights, and even wheels. Effortlessly eliminate imperfections like scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Achieve a brilliant, showroom-quality finish that enhances depth and gloss. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, its ergonomic design and balanced weight ensure comfort during use. Get professional-grade results with simple controls. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential pads, polishes, and compounds. Tackle every step of the detailing process without needing to purchase additional products. Achieve professional-grade paint correction with precision. It helps bring out a deep, glossy finish on your vehicle's paint, clear coat, and headlights. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started, making it incredibly convenient for DIYers and beginners. Its random orbital action ensures safety while delivering impressive results. If you're new to paint correction or want a hassle-free solution to restore your vehicle's shine, this all-inclusive package is perfect for you. What people say. Featuring the TORQX Dual Action Polisher, the kit comes with VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover, V36 Cutting Polish, V38 Final Polish, and HexLogic pads, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Designed for both beginners and seasoned detailers, the TORQX Polisher boasts a 680W motor and an 8mm dual-action orbital throw, providing consistent power and control. The unit itself is built very well. It is a very sturdy and well-balanced machine. What I'm referring to is that, even on the lowest setting, you can handle this machine with one hand. Number 3. Chemical Guy's TORQX Dual Action Polisher. Achieve professional-grade paint correction with ease. This tool safely removes swirls, scratches, and oxidation, restoring your vehicle's gloss and depth. Its dual-action random orbital design minimizes the risk of paint damage, making it safe for beginners yet powerful enough for experts. Experience consistent power and torque thanks to its robust 700W motor. It handles polishing, waxing, and paint correction with balanced performance. The 8mm Orbit technology ensures efficient defect removal while maintaining precise control. It's designed for safety and effectiveness on various paint types. Detailing for extended periods is comfortable with its lightweight, ergonomic design. Enjoy reduced fatigue and smooth, controlled operation. This versatile tool works with various pads and products, ideal for applying compounds, polishes, and waxes for a flawless finish. What we like. Weighing in at only 4.7 pounds, this polisher is designed for maximum comfort during long detailing sessions. Its safe dual-action motion minimizes the risk of paint damage, making it ideal for achieving professional-grade finishes without the steep learning curve. If you prioritize comfort and safety while still demanding excellent paint correction, this is the tool for you. What people say. The results removing the swirls on my car were amazing. Improvements on the paint were immediate and so satisfying. The polisher was easy to use and control. It's a perfect size and it's a great value. Works great and makes polishing, waxing so much more efficient. Takes me about 2 hours to do a mid-size SUV and the results are professional looking. Number 2. Chemical Guy's TORQ 10FX Polisher. Experience professional grade power and precision. This tool is designed for both seasoned professionals and passionate car enthusiasts alike. Easily adapt to any detailing task. You can effortlessly switch between different pad sizes and adjust speeds for optimal results. Achieve perfect results with precise control. Its onboard digital display allows for easy speed adjustment of the powerful motor. Enjoy a comfortable detailing experience. Its updated grips and balanced weight distribution make it easy to handle and maneuver. Work with confidence thanks to built-in safety features. These mechanical safeguards help prevent damage to your paintwork, even in sensitive areas. What we like. Featuring an onboard digital display, this polisher offers unparalleled precision in speed adjustment, allowing you to dial in the perfect setting for any task. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and controlled experience. If you appreciate fine-tuned control and want to ensure you're always operating at the optimal speed for flawless results, this is an excellent option. What people say. The oxidation, stains, dullness and scratches have disappeared, leaving an amazing shine. The controls on the buffer are easy to use and offer a variety of speeds to meet your needs. Absolutely love how balanced this unit is. No need to use the attachable handle even on my original 2006 CRV paint job. Number 1. AVID Power 5-inch 6-inch Dual Action Polisher. Introducing our powerful yet quiet random orbital polisher. It's designed to effortlessly remove swirls, scratches, and defects, restoring your car's original shine. This polisher makes detailing quick and easy for everyone. It's safe for beginners and powerful enough for professionals, with a lower risk of paint damage compared to rotary polishers. Achieve perfect results with 6 variable speed settings, ranging from 2700 to 6500 OPM. Use lower speeds for waxing, medium for polishing, and high for defect removal. Enjoy a comfortable grip with the adjustable D-handle and non-slip rubberized body. It's perfect for cars, furniture, ceramics, wood, and metal. This kit includes everything you need: the dual-action polisher, multiple polishing pads and discs, a detachable D-handle, and all necessary tools. What we like. This polisher comes with an adjustable D-handle that can be set to 5 different positions, offering superior comfort and control for a wide range of users and applications. It also includes both 5-inch and 6-inch backing plates, making it incredibly versatile for various surfaces beyond just cars. If you need a comfortable, adaptable tool that can handle multiple jobs and user preferences, this is the one to consider. What people say. The polisher is lightweight and easy to handle, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. It comes with a variety of attachments that allow for different polishing tasks, from coarse sanding to fine finishing. The variable speed control is a great feature, enabling precise adjustments for different materials and desired results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.